Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this class we shall discuss about 10th standard science examination key answers, so which held on 30th of March 2024. So in that we shall go to first part, physics. So first main they have given alternatives to choose. First question, elements used in the solar cell is, so they have given four options. First option is carbon, option B silicon, option C phosphorus, and option D is sulfur. So answer for this question is silicon. So why silicon? Silicon, because silicon is a metal which is a good conductor of heat and electricity. Second question, in an electric circuit, to get an equivalent resistance RS, that is series connection, four resistors of 2 ohms each are first connected in series. Later, to get an equivalent resistor of Rp, the same resistors are connected in parallel. Then the ratio of Rs by Rp is how much? So four resistors which are connected in series, each have 2 ohm. So first we have to calculate the value of Rs. So we have a formula for series connection, that is R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4. So values are given 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So we will get 8. So 8 ohm for Rs. So to find the Rp value, we have a formula 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 plus 1 by R4. So I have written the answer will be 2 for 1 by Rp. If I want to take only Rp, I have to take reciprocal. I will get 1 by 2 ohm. So this much I have got. So now here what we have to do? They have asked Rs by Rp. So this ratio I have to find out. So what I have to do? I know the values of Rs is 8 ohm divided by Rp, that is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 ohm. So this becomes 8 into 2 by 1, that will be 16 by 1. So this I can write as R is 2 by Rp is equal to 16 is to 1. So the option will be A. Option A is correct. Next question. Write a statement regarding the color of the scattered sunlight and the size of scattering atmospheric particles is. So this is very tricky question. You have to read properly. First option A, they have given small particles scatter red color. So this is wrong. Small particles will only scatter small wavelength color. So red is having greater wavelength. That is wrong. B, big particles scatter blue color. Of course, blue color is a which is having lesser wavelength. This is also wrong. Big particles scatter violet color. So this is also wrong. Violet is the least scattered color. So last option, two large particles scatter all colors. All colors is also called as a white color. So all two large particles will scatter white color. Option D is correct answer. So fourth one, write the symbols of the following components used in the electric circuit. So this is very simple. You can write. So first one, what they have asked, combination of two cells. So cell symbol we know, positive, negative. So they have asked combination of two cells. So this will be the combination of two cells. Second one, what they have asked, wires crossed without joining. So without joining means one wire is this one. It is not joined means like this you have to draw. So this is, so fifth question, can an electric heater of 2000 watt be connected to a domestic circuit rated 15 ampere and has a potential difference of 220 volts? Support your answer. So they are asking whether we can connect 2 kilovolt watt of heater to a domestic circuit which is having 15 ampere of current with a potential difference of 220 volt. So they have given power. So power they have given 2 kilowatt. This can be written as 2000 watt. So potential difference is 220 volt and current they have given 15 ampere. So I have a formula, power is equal to voltage into current. So they have given power 2000, voltage will be 220 into I. So if I keep current here, 2000 divided by 220. So I will get 9.09 ampere. So to connect a heater of power 2000 watt, the amount of current required is only 9 ampere, so that we can connect to a domestic circuit which have the current 15 ampere. Yes, for this you have to write, yes, we can connect the heater of 2000 watt because it can only consume 9 ampere of current. So next question, third main. Sixth question, what is spectrum of white light? Name any two phenomena that occurs in the atmosphere due to refraction of light. So what is the spectrum of light? Band of 7 colors are called as the spectrum of light. So name any two phenomena occurs in atmosphere due to refraction of, it may be rainbow, twinkling of stars, blue color of sky. So these are the phenomena that occurs due to the refraction of light. So there is the option question for sixth one. What is cataract of eye? What are the near point and the far point of the human eye with normal vision? So cataract of eye is the membrane formed in front of the eyes which leads to the opaque of the eye which cannot see the objects clearly. So the near point of the eye is, for normal people, is 25 centimeter and for far point is infinity. So seventh question, production of nuclear energy is advantageous and also disadvantageous. Clarify this statement with suitable explanation. So production of nuclear energy is advantage because the energy produced is more efficient. So the energy produced by this type of nuclear energies, it is very efficient and it has less pollutants. So disadvantages are they produce as radioactive waste. The disposal of these waste are very dangerous, and to plant these nuclear plants it is very expensive, so which cannot be affordable for normal people. So eighth question, a person who has a defect of the eye as shown in the below figure purchases a spectacles having a lens of -2.d power. Is this lens suitable to rectify the eye defect of that person? Analyze. So here you can see the diagram in your question paper. So this diagram shows that the image formed behind the retina. So whenever the image is formed behind the retina, so that problem is hypermetropia. So the defect is hypermetropia. That means the person can see the objects which are in far and he is unable to see the objects of near sides. To correct this lens we have to use convex lens which have a positive power. Okay, so here they have given -2d power. So answer is we cannot use these spectacles having a lens of -2d power because we have to use convex lens which have a positive power. So next question, ray diagram. Draw the ray diagram of image formation when the object is kept at 2f1 of the convex lens. With the help of a ray diagram, mention the position and the nature of the image formed. So f1 is a principal focus of the lens. So we have to draw the ray diagram. This is for 3 marks. It's very easy to score in science by these ray diagrams and all the diagrams. F1 to F1, F2 to F2. So the object is at 2F1. So another will pass. So they will meet at F2. So the position of the image will be at 2F2, size same as object. So if you write this much, you will get 3 marks. So 10th question, 200 joule of heat is produced each second in a 8 ohm resistance. Find the potential difference across the resistance. So for heat, we have two formulas, V square by R into T, or we have H is equal to I square RT. So here I have to find out voltage. I will choose this formula. So they have given, first you have to write given what they have given. So heat they have given 200 joule of resistance 8 ohm each second. So time will be it will be 1 second. So if I substitute here 200, I don't know V, R will be 8 into 1. So V square will become 200 into 8. So V square will become 1600. Square root, square root. So V will become 40. So answer will be 40 volt. In this only we have option question, or an electric refrigerator rated 300 watt operates 6 hours in a day. What is the cost of the energy to operate it for 30 days at a rupees 7 per kilowatt hour? So this is the expected question. So most of the time they have asked. So for this, again we have to go for the formula. So first write down the given. So given, what they have given, power will be 300 watt, time 6 hours. So first I have to find out the heat produced. So I have a formula H is equal to P into T. So this I have to convert into kilowatt. So for that I have to divide it by 1000. So that I will directly write here. P into T by 1000. 300 into 6 hours by 1000. So H will become 18 by 10, 1.8 kilowatt per hour. So I have to find out the cost. 1.8 into 30 days into the amount. This will become 378 rupees. So the cost for this electric refrigerator is 378 rupees for 1 month. So 11th question, in domestic circuit, what are the reasons for overloading? The reasons for overloading is connecting too many appliances to the same circuit or touching live and neutral wire if the current increases appropriately. So these are all the reasons for overloading. Explain the working of earth wire. So why we are connecting earth wire? To prevent shocks from metallic appliances. This earthing prevents current shocks from the metallic appliances. If the current, any leakage of the current takes place, this earthing wires will pass the leak current into the earth. So it prevents us from getting shock. So for 11th question, we have a option. A coil of insulated copper wire is connected to a galvanometer. What will happen if a bar magnet is pushed into the coil? So this is an example of Faraday's experiment. You all know the Faraday's experiment. This is the north and south. What happens if the bar magnet is pushed inside the this experiment galvanometer coil? So the deflection will takes place. So the deflection will takes place. Second, withdraw from inside the coil. Again, if I take back this bar magnet, what happens? The deflection will be in opposite direction. L stationary inside the coil. If I leave that bar magnet inside the coil, there is no deflection. That means there is no induced current is produced. 12th question, state the right hand thumb rule. So first part of this question, right hand thumb rule state that if I hold a current carrying conductor, so let me take this as a conductor. If I hold like this, the thumb shows the current direction and the wrapped fingers around this conductor shows the magnetic field lines. So next in that second part of the question, write any two properties of magnetic field lines. So what are the properties of magnetic field lines? We know that, so this is a magnet. The magnetic field lines start from north to south. There is no overlapping of the magnetic field lines. More the magnetic fields, so the more will be the power of magnet. Suppose there will be more magnetic fields at the corners of the magnet. Here we can find the maximum magnetic power. So 12th B, what is solenoid? How can this be converted into electromagnet? So this is a solenoid. Coil of a many turns of insulated copper wire wrapped closely in the shape of a cylinder is called as a solenoid. If we insert any soft iron core, so this will becomes as a electromagnet. So this is the method. By inserting a soft iron core, we can convert this solenoid into electromagnet. State two laws of reflection of light. So this is a very easy question. Laws of reflection of light. You all know angle of incident is always equal to angle of reflection. Incident ray, reflected ray, angle of incident, angle of reflection and normal all lies in the same plane. Right any two difference between concave mirror and convex mirror. So this is also very easy one. Concave mirrors and convex mirrors. So first and foremost you have to put a tabular column like this. Concave mirror and convex mirror. It is a converging mirror. It converges the light rays. Converging mirror. So convex will be diverging mirror. Image will be enlarged or diminished. Here the image will always diminished. Image will be real or virtual. Here the image always will be virtual. This concave mirror are used by dentists, shaving mirrors, in torches and headlights of the vehicles. This Convex mirror, it is used as a rear view mirrors in vehicles. So this is the physics part we have discussed so far. So we shall discuss chemistry and biology next classes.